Being a teen, I have realized time is always less and life is too fast. Friends asking for streaks, post kiya ki nahi? It will be very lame to call this fast paced time as money, justifying so called quote, time is money. And it's very difficult for me to be convinced with this quote, as I am running behind the buses to save a little, to jog a mile to save a penny, and they easily call time is money. I am taxing on my precious time and getting a meager money. Sometimes a shortcut way to solve this problem comes to my mind that if I would have played more smartly by using options like taking lift from a stranger or sharing the cab with few more, but then there would not only be a competition between money and time but also between right and wrong. कहते थे बड़े बूढ़े समय का खेल है भैया, अब उनका ही है मानना खेल खिलाए ये रुपैया. Juveniles can't tell you what are they up to. Elders can think foolish if they are playing a night owl, a foodie panda, or a faithful dog to their friends. Teenagers are allowed to show mood swings, overreaction. Between 2 a.m. story and breakup, teenage have to fill in many dashes. Few are as long as Earth's radius, and one has to discover all the angles while doing Surya Namaskar to get the output input ratio as an improper fraction in life, and that would be always greater than 1. ज़माने का दस्तूर ही बना देता है हम सबको जानदार. ना लिखा किताबों में, ना यह कहीं पढ़ा, पर हिम्मत और अपने हुनर से खुद को बनाया शानदार. So it's not only smart or hard, there are other options too. Actually, chalk your own way. A Latin phrase to emphasize and making an agenda of my life, aut viam inveniam aut faciam. Search a way or make one. Sometimes an adolescent can kill 2 birds with 1 stone by doing simply hard work with its own pinch of smartness. जिंदगी के हर मोड़ पर दिखेंगे कई रास्ते तुझे. 2 पल ठहर कर विश्वास की ऑक्सीजन अंदर जो लिए, छोड़कर अहंकार रूपी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, चुन हिम्मत के उजाले में जो भी सही दिखे, फिर ले एक ऊंची उड़ान, फड़फड़ा अपने चौड़े पंख पसारे. स्मार्ट वर्क या हार्ड वर्क, दिल में पूरी कोशिश भरे, निसंदेह मिल जाएगी तुझे जीत. तेरी जिंदा दिली सारे काज सवारे. Yes, I can make one by my experience and intelligence, as I have learned to reduce the size of cheese slice by folding its ends to push it in between 2 garlic breads. A teenager, after all, who has spent the maximum time of 9 months without annoying my mother was only when I was in her womb. After that, to raise a teenager, it requires a smart work with hard work, with time from reading e-comics to economics of India, from being oversensitive to overcautious. I will be a great citizen.